Demonstration of automatic Supari cutting and cleaning plant. Electronic control panel. Each and every equipment, storage tank, grader, destoner, cyclone, cutters, air classifier, vibro sifter, blower fans, bucket elevators, conveyors, involved in the process of automatic cutting and cleaning of Supari can be controlled at one place, with the help of electronic control panel. Supari storage tank. Storage tank is used to store the whole raw Supari and is first stage of automatic processing of Supari. Our stainless steel Supari storage tank is customized according to client's requirement and as per site conditions. Bucket elevator. Bucket elevator is used to automatically lift and move Supari from one machine to another and is a crucial equipment. For complete automation of plant, it is equipped with top-end motor gearbox and is fabricated with best quality material. Pre-cleaner. Pre-cleaner machine is used in pre-cleaning of the raw Supari from impurities like dust, dirt, etc. It is equipped with top-quality vibro motors which helps in continuous vibration and customized sized mesh. Along with it helps in cleaning of raw Supari. Bucket elevator. Bucket elevator is used to automatically lift and move Supari from one machine to another and is a crucial equipment. For complete automation of plant, it is equipped with top-end motor gearbox and is fabricated with best quality material. Destoner. Destoner is used to clean and separate Supari from impurities like stones, iron, glass particles, etc. It's equipped with top quality vibro motor, mesh and heavy duty structure. Cyclone with blower fan. Cyclone works with destoner and is attached to a blower fan which blows out light impurities like dirt, dust, peel, rope, cloth, wire, etc. from the Supari directly into cyclone. The machine is equipped with electric motor, gearbox and RAV. Bucket elevator. Bucket elevator is used to automatically lift and move Supari from one machine to another and is a crucial equipment. For complete automation of plant, it is equipped with top-end motor gearbox and is fabricated with best quality material. Advanced cutter. Cutter is used to cut down Supari into accurate sized multiple smaller pieces in. Cutters are equipped with electric motor and customized mesh. Also the unique blades set present in cutters provides fast cutting of Supari with minimum wastage. Our cutters has been certified patent by Government of India. Screw conveyor. Screw conveyor is used to automatically move Supari from one machine to another and is a crucial equipment required for automation. It is equipped with top-end motor and gearbox. Its screw is fabricated with heavy-duty stainless steel material. Bucket elevator. Bucket elevator automatically lifts and moves Supari from one machine to another and helps in complete automation of plant. It is equipped with best quality motor and gearbox. Grader with air classifier. Supari grader is used to clean as well as grade the cut Supari in oversized, undersized and perfect sized Supari. It is equipped with top quality vibrating motor. Bucket elevator. Bucket elevator is used to automatically lift and move Supari from one machine to another and is a crucial equipment. For complete automation of plant, it is equipped with top-end motor gearbox and is fabricated with best quality material. Air classifier with blower fan. Air classifier is attached to high-power blower fan which helps to blow out dust and undersized Supari from grader machine directly into cyclone. The equipments are assembled with best quality RAV, electric motor and gearbox. Vibro sifter. Vibro sifter is attached below the cyclone and is used to separate dust from undersized Supari. It is equipped with best quality vibrating motor and mesh. Bucket elevator. Bucket elevator is used to automatically lift and move Supari from one machine to another and is a crucial equipment. For complete automation of plant, it is equipped with top-end motor gearbox and is fabricated with best quality material. Working of automatic Supari cutting and cleaning plant. Supari storage tank. The first step of the process is to dump the whole raw Supari into the storage tank for further processing of the Supari. Laborers cut open the Supari sack and then they put the whole raw Supari into the storage tank. Bucket elevator. First bucket elevator is installed between storage tank and pre-cleaner. Supari is automatically lifted and carried from tank to pre-cleaner machine for its processing. Pre-cleaner. Pre-cleaner machine is used in pre-cleaning of the raw Supari from impurities like dust, dirt, etc. It is equipped with top-quality vibro motors which help in continuous vibration and customized sized mesh, along with it helps in cleaning of raw Supari. Bucket elevator. Second bucket elevator is installed between grader and destoner machine. Pre-cleaned Supari is automatically lifted and moved from the outlet of grader machine to a fixed certain height, and is automatically dropped at the top of destoner machine with the help of bucket elevator. Cyclone with blower fan. Cyclone comes along with blower fan, and is used to remove various type of light impurities such as Supari peel, rope, wire, dust, dirt, thread, etc. from the Supari. Cyclone is a crucial part of the destoner machine and works together with it. Destoner. Destoner is the second phase of Supari processing. The machine is used to remove heavy impurities such as stones, iron particles, glass particles, etc. from the Supari. Material falls onto the vibrating screen of destoner through bucket elevator and is cleaned and passed for further processing. Bucket elevator. Third bucket elevator is installed between destoner and cutter machine. Cleaned raw Supari is automatically lifted and carried from the destoner to cutter machine for its cutting process. Advanced cutter. Cutting of the Supari is the third phase of Supari processing. The machine is used to cut the cleaned whole raw Supari into various smaller sized pieces. Supari is equally distributed and dumped into all the 6 cutters machine with the help of a common hopper placed on top of each cutter machine, and the Supari after being cut is sent for further processing. Our cutter machine has a patent for its unique design and efficiency. Screw conveyor. Screw conveyor machine is used to automatically carry Supari from one place to another and helps in automatic movement of material. The equipment is attached at the bottom of outlet of all the Supari cutter machines, and the Supari after being cut from all the cutters is altogether carried ahead to bucket elevator machine. Bucket elevator. Fourth bucket elevator is installed between screw conveyor and grader with air classifier machine. Cut Supari is automatically moved from conveyor to grader machine for its further processing. Grader with air classifier. Supari grader machine is fourth stage of processing and is used to clean and grade the cut Supari into oversized, undersized and accurate sized Supari. It keeps on vibrating and customized mesh present in it helps in easy grading of the Supari. Bucket elevator. Fifth bucket elevator is installed for oversized Supari found and separated from the grader machine, and will now be brought back to the cutter machine for its recutting until the perfect required size is obtained. Air classifier with blower fan. Air classifier helps to separate Supari powder from undersized Supari, Rawa. Grader is attached with a blower fan which blows out material directly from grader machine into the cyclone. Vibro sifter. Vibro sifter machine is used to separate the undersized Supari, Rawa, from the Supari powder so that Supari, Rawa, can be utilized in the Supari batch and the powder can be discarded. The machine keeps on vibrating which helps in separation of the material. Supari, Rawa, is collected from the outlet of the machine. Bucket elevator. Sixth bucket elevator is installed for clean and accurate sized Supari found after being processed in each and every machine. Perfectly cut and clean Supari is automatically lifted and carried via bucket elevator and is collected directly into sacks or trolleys.